mastering the breath. Okay. What is breath? Breath is life. Breath is your connection to spirit. Breath controls the emotions and the mind. Breath feeds every cell in your body with oxygen. If you can master your breath, you can step into mastery of all the levels of your being. So control the breath, control your energy, emotions, and mind. Abdominal breathing. Please understand, and maybe you have to learn this skill that we have forgotten. All babies, when they breathe relaxed, they fill their belly as they inhale, and their belly moves back to the spine as they exhale. And we forget. We've somehow inhale, and our stomach comes in and our chest lifts, and we get a very superficial breath. And this is why we get tired in the day. This is actually also leading to illness at some point, perhaps. So remember, practice this deep belly breathing by placing one hand on the navel, and make sure as you breathe in, your belly expands out. So this, and maybe you've already noticed that as you breathe in, your belly comes in. Please learn this skill because it's so much healthier. Then we also have the full yogic breath, which you learned already. That means breathe into the belly, the chest, to the top of the head. It's like you're filling your entire body with breath from the bottom to the top. And as you exhale, you let that breath and energy flow out, and the belly moves back to spine. If you don't remember how to do the full yogic breath, go back to, I think it was our first.
It was our first session. It's called bottle breath, 3-part breaths, Dirga Pranayama. Anyway, after 4th session, you will get all these slides with all the practices in the end as a list with descriptions. So you can go back to them anytime.
Yeah, so you'll have a reference sheet of all the practices you learned and some slight instructions on how to do them. And this is your homework and play as well, to keep doing your breathing every day.
And we're here for you if you need any guidance, further guidance, or any questions. We're here for you. You can ask us in the group and or per email, or here right now, so we can help you.
Then by modifying the breath, you use it to shift energy. So I've already talked a little bit, I probably talked a lot, but the point is, if you want to activate these chakras, breathe in and out of the chakra. If you feel like you want to open your heart, bring your mind there. And as you inhale, feel that you're inhaling into the heart center. And as you exhale, feel that you're exhaling out through the heart center, through the center of the chest. You can do it in your navel, breathe in and out through the chakra. You can do it here with Ujjayi pranayama, which we talked about, making that soft sound as you inhale and exhale. You can breathe in and out through the space between the eyebrows, helping to open the third eye. You can breathe in and out through the crown of your head. You get the point. Just bring the breath into your awareness and guide your energy with your breath. Okay, awareness of breathing rhythm in all stages of life. Typically, we lose connection to our breath in stress, in times when we're busy. If you can bring the awareness back to your breath, you can start to become more present. Your breath is always happening in this present moment. And that's one of the major teachings of yoga, of Taoism, of lots of different sciences about being present, which is really the whole journey, is how to be present, because that monkey mind loves to explore everything else but this moment. So if you want to get control of your mind, get control of the rhythm of your breath. And remember, there's 4 parts of your breath. There's inhale, there's a gentle pause at the end of inhale, there's exhale, and there's another gentle pause there. And when we learn that, we, as our individual, then we bring that skill into lovemaking, and we breathe together, or we do what's called reciprocal breath. As she exhales, I'm inhaling. And as I exhale, she's inhaling, and we're sharing our prana, our life force, our essence back and forth. And we can circulate that breath up and down the spine in a microcosmic orbit. And we're going to go all into that in the next session. So remember, breath, I don't know how much more clear I can make it. Breathe deep and consciously.